Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got the beautiful saddle bag to share with you, and the style number for saddle bags was 9988, and this specific bag was made in the US in the year 2002. So it's just barely vintage this year, and the color is British tan. So this is a shoulder bag, and as you can see, it's got like this nice saddle bag shape to it, and it's got an adjustable strap, and I'll go ahead and show you the rest of the bag now. So here's the side, and it does kind of sit up like this. So here's what the side looks like. Here's the back. It does have a pretty nice pocket here in the back, and here's the other side. And then here's the front again, and I'll go ahead and open the bag now. So here's the inside. No inside pocket on this one here, except for in the back. I'll show you in a second. But it has a pretty big, roomy interior. So here's the inside, and then it does have one pocket back here, a zip pocket. And the Creed, of course, is back there. Since it's hard to get it to pick up on camera, I'll insert a photo now. So that's the saddle bag. It's a cute bag with a unique shape to it. I should also mention that I do have this bag also available in the color black in the Etsy shop if you're interested. So I'll go ahead and link this bag below if you want to check it out further. But otherwise, I just wanted to say I really appreciate you guys watching the video, and I will see you in the next bag tour. Take care.